all he ever does is make you cry. And do you think that you can handle the truth, girl? When all he ever does is tell you lies. You know what? He kisses you, but he don't mean it. And he don't look into your eyes. And he don't see the things I see, girl. So somebody tell me why your boyfriend is a douchebag. And everybody knows your boyfriend is a douchebag. Your mama told you so. You know he's got somebody on the side, girl. And the way he talks to use a sin. He just keeps saying, I really think it's time, girl. You quit defending him. You keep telling me things are gonna change. You okay? But you could never change my mind. Your boyfriend's still a douchebag. And everybody knows your boyfriend is a douchebag. Your mama told you so. Your boyfriend is. You got to know. Your boyfriend's a douchebag. Even his mama thinks so. There ain't no way around it. You really gotta know that cover up is sweet but phony. Got that candy coat. You try to make the truth look like it's something good, and you perform like he's a star reppin' Hollywood. I know he said he's sorry, but I see nothing real, and yet his mouth keep running. Tracking fails, so maybe you can help me understand why you do that. You tell me why your boyfriend's a douchebag. Girl, everybody knows your boyfriend's such a douchebag. Your mama told you so. You know what she said. You gotta live.